Hello and welcome to Mailtrap Videos, where we explore the world of emails. Here's how to send emails with Python. First, let's look at sending an email using the SMTP lib module. We'll use the SMTP credentials from Mailtrap email sending, but you can use any other as well. To build an SMTP lib module, first import it using the import SMTP lib statement. Once done, create one SMTP object and indicate the host and port parameters. The simplest and most common case is sending a plain text email, and the code for this would look like this. All you have to do is just edit the configurations. In Mailtrap, you'll find the SMTP credentials on the sending domains page. Next, let's specify the sender's domain, and let's make John Doe the recipient. Now we'll indicate the server, the username, copy and paste the password. And finally, we're ready to check if our configuration works. Looks like the email was sent. Let's check if it was delivered. And there you go, it's in the inbox. Now let's go over a faster and more secure alternative to sending emails with Python via API. You can find a lot of helpful information with code examples on Mailtrap's GitHub page and in the article mentioned earlier in the video. So the first thing you can do is copy this minimal code of the Mailtrap email sending module, and then just edit the configuration. For Mailtrap, the necessary parameters can be found on the domain page, like in the previous example. In this case, I already configured everything in advance. Now you just need to specify the sender's address and the recipient. Let's use John Doe again, and let's also copy and paste the token. Alright, now we can test if this works. Let's check the inbox, and there you go, the email is delivered. Configuring your Gmail is convenient and one of the most popular options for sending emails with Python. This can be done by simply using the SMTP module. Let's take a closer look. Like in the previous examples, we will use the code from our article. To send the email, I'll use a pre-prepared account where the app password is already generated. An app password is a 16-digit passcode that gives a less secure app or device permission to access your Google account. You can create the passcode in your Google account's app password section. For simplicity, in this example, the recipient matches the sender's username. As you can see, this is the full email from which the message is being sent. And here, the token was generated via app password. Okay, let's test this out. The script ran successfully, and voila, the email is in the inbox. Just like that, you can start sending emails using your Python app. We at Mailtrap hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching this video, brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure all in one place. Like and share this video, subscribe to our channel to see more tutorials like this one, and we'll see you in our next one.